Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying your mic type and getting ready for the first physical connection. If it's USB, plug directly into a powered USB port. If XLR, connect the mic to an audio interface with a balanced XLR cable and phantom power if needed. For 5mm, use a high-quality adapter and plug into your computer's mic in or the camera input. Once done, secure cables to avoid noise and make sure the interface shows an input signal before moving on. Now you configure software so your mic becomes usable in recordings. Open your system's sound settings and choose the new device, then set it in your streaming or recording app, OBS, Studio, or YouTube Live. Adjust input gain on the interface or in software while speaking at your normal level. Aim for peaks around -12 to -6 dB to prevent clipping. Once levels are good, enable monitoring so you hear latency-free audio and apply gentle EQ or noise reduction to improve clarity. Finish by performing a full test. Record a short clip, play it back, and listen for tone, room reflections, and noise. Make adjustments to mic position and gain, move closer for warmth or farther for less proximity effect. If you hear hum or no signal, check cables, reconnect USB or XLR, update or reinstall drivers, and try a different port. If problems continue, swap in another mic to isolate hardware and reset your recording software's audio device settings. This usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.